Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change username on TikTok. So for the end of this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the TikTok application on your phone. Once opened, locate and click on profile at the bottom right. Once you click on the profile at the bottom right, now go ahead and click on edit. Then once you click on edit on the TikTok page, then you'll see your username. To change your username, go ahead and click on username and then delete the existing username and type in your new username. Once you type in your new username, if the username is available, you should see that the username is available. And if it is not, you'll be told that it is not available. So in this case, this username is not available. Then let me add a character or number. Then once it's available, go ahead and click on save at the top right. Mark you can change your username once every 30 days. So you want to confirm the exact username you want to use before you click save. And once you hit the save button, this is going to change your TikTok username. So that is how to change username on TikTok. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.